I definitely love the design of this kettle, and this wooden handle is actually very nice in touch. This is great too. Again, kettle like a kettle, looks pretty normal. Only thing I don't like about it is that the scale starts from 1 liter, and sometimes I'm boiling less than that, and I can't really see because there's like big gap over here that basically you don't see how much water is already inside, and majority of the kettles have already scale from like, you know, half a liter or even lower. So that's a bit of a drawback, but other than that, I very much like this kettle.